where today we're playing Among Us with my two brothers, my nephew, and my uncle. So let's go right into it.
How's the victory so quickly?
Wait, what was the code? Wait, what's the code?
Okay, that code is QBCHLQ.
Yeah, what? QVC what?
I know.
QVC.
How about this?
QVC what?
No, I just made one.
Okay.
Okay, Ben Pig, you join.
What's the code?
SWGJNJ.
What servers are you in? North America, right?
Yeah, North America.
What is it?
Couldn't find the game.
SWGJNJ.
Got it. Nope, I couldn't find the game.
I'll say it again.
Find the game.
I'll say it again.
No, I'll create a game. I'll create a game. I'll create a game.
SWJNJ.
I already created the game.
Really?
I already created the game.
I've already made it public.
I think I made it public. The code is TLHBQQ.
Say it again.
TLHBQQ.
Yeah.
Woohoo! We're in.
Wait, TB what?
TLH.
Wait, what?
TLH.
TLA
BQQ.
BWQ.
Yep.
Barbecue.
Let's do this.
FMP.
Yeah.
Do you still
We're in. You're in.
barbecue sauce and stuff?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for enough flavor soon.
It's private.
Oh yeah.
So is
3 imposters.
Dane gonna do dreads as well?
Anyway, I'm gonna make it private.
But our mom said that she's gonna cut Dang's head clean, bro.
Yeah. Anyway, let's start.
She's
Wait,
gonna.
God, is your hair relaxed?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Grandma, is your hair relaxed?
Yeah. Dang's is too, but after that he put a hair gel in it. Which made it like a fire. Made it like
There's one imposter among us. It's
What's
the
this?
dropship.
Who is it?
I am not an imposter. Seriously, I'm crewmate.
I'm crewmate as well.
I'm going with Kira.
Kira, I do not trust you, Kira.
Yeah, we don't.
Trust your uncle, dude.
Huh?
Don't trust your uncle, dude.
No! It's definitely Kira! It's definitely Kira! Hurry up and call an emergency meeting!
Dang it, dude.
What? It's the emergency button.
I don't know!
I'll report you.
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Dang it, why did you kill me so long?
Correct.
Hey, nah, this isn't gonna work. Should just turn you a little bit of us. God, after this game plays it, you're time to 10.
Anyway, hurry up.
I am voting for you, Kira.
Yeah, we definitely.
Oh.
Kira is.
Wait,
It
Kira,
is
did you
dead.
vote for yourself?
Hey, full lava!
Dang.
Ah! We won!
Victory.
Okay, we're gonna play again.
But guy, 4 places too easy. Do 10.
Okay. a public. Okay, I just made a public.
I'm gonna play 3 more games.
Okay.
Change the settings.
Okay.
Emergency cooldown, discussion.
Okay.
Change the play speed.
Why is someone using the name Miley Cyrus in our server?
Change play speed 1.5. And kill cooldown, yep. Play speed 1.5. And you made it so other people can join?
Yeah, I made it a public.
What?
Stop.
So then it's much more easier.
So then there could be 3 imposters.
Not the game.
Stop.
Okay, I'm not starting until there's 10 players.
Stop the damn game.
Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna start.
Hurry up, son. Why does Cat have a son?
Yeah, I always wondered why. Oh,
I'm a crewmate.
I'm a crewmate.
Yeah, I can tell since I saw.
Program.
Huh.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Huh. Some person named Lady Gaga is wearing a chef's hat.
Lady Gaga.
Yeah, some user named Lady Gaga was wearing a chef's hat.
Huh.
I'm gonna stay out here for a while. Okay.
Let's go, Kira.
Okay, let's do this. I found the emergency button.
Go.
I found the emergency button.
Where's the emergency button? Where's the comms?
Hang on, let me think.
Here's the comms. Wait, I need to go into the laboratory
Alright.
for the comms.
Wow. Hey, dude, have
Oh,
you
Jesus.
checked the vitals?
Vitals?
The ventilators, you know, so if someone's okay or not. Have you checked? Kira, it's right here. Check. That was weird.
Kira,
Yeah.
you're being suspiciously quiet.
Huh, someone died.
You are being quiet suspiciously.
Well, I'm gonna vote for Cat.
You're being suspiciously quiet.
Somehow somebody killed that user.
Kira,
What are you there for?
I voted for Cat.
I voted for Ben Pink.
Man, I'm not there. You made up every time so long. Okay, well, I'm
Yeah, you're probably not gonna die.
Well, Bepping was with me, and he didn't kill me.
Ew.
would have killed you.
Okay.
Dang it!
Okay.
Oh yes, he did. What the?
Okay. So. Okay.
Why did you guys have to vote me?
Okay. They just proved the point of Among Us. If Among Us had lawyers.
Why me?
I might not go into door shit.
Why me?
Door shit.
Seriously, why me?
I was just right in the middle of my task until
Seriously, why me?
Someone killed me.
Wait, where are you? Where's your... Oh, there it is.
Was it pink?
No, it was white.
White.
I think I might know who that is.
That's racism.
White killed me.
I know who it is. I know who it is.
Seriously, I was just in the middle of my task.
I know who it is, but I can't tell ya.
It's white.
Yes, it's the white person. Vote for him.
That white.
Yeah, vote white.
And pink. You up there?
Vote white and pink. Vote white and pink.
Hey, Noah.
Because I'm playing Among Us.
Oh.
Nope.
Is he crying right now?
I'm gonna whisper to my brother who's the next imposter.
Yeah, Pink is the next imposter.
Yeah.
Like the crime.
I can't call an emergency meeting. But I'm gonna watch Pink.
Okay, yeah, that is true. Remember when
Where is Pink?
Remember when
No, not me.
used to
No,
cry
no.
if we didn't get him what he wants?
Yeah, that was really hard.
There it is.
Alright.
The name is Miley Cyrus.
Time to fix the electricity.
Yeah.
I ran out fixing it.
Come on.
I just fixed it. It's just fixed. I just fixed it.
Come on.
Electrical. I need to go to electrical.
Yep. Come on, come on.
Hey, girl.
So you gonna kill me, woman?
No, I'm not a killer. I'm right now.
Kira, call an emergency meeting.
Nice cap.
Right down to
Miley Cyrus is the imposter.
There we go. Okay, I'm done. I'm almost done. Just need to communication sabotage.
Oh, hey, Mr. Player.
Hey.
It's Miley Cyrus.
Yeah, no, it's Myris.
It's Miley Cyrus. I've been trying to say that.
It's Pink.
Vote
Lady Gaga.
Pink.
Pink just killed me.
Vote Pink. You, Miley.
It is pink,
It's Pink.
pink. I must say it's pink. Pink, pink.
Yeah, it's definitely Pink. Yeah, get wrecked.
Dodge, are you the best soccer player in your school?
No, he's not.
In your class?
Okay, I think he would be the best.
Yeah.
I am.
Take the anxiety out of your mind.
What's your favorite skill move?
The rainbow flick.
Nice.
Anyway, good end
Do
the
you think you're
video
better than me?
and make sure to like and subscribe if you're not.
No.
Okay,
he's
bye.
not.